Where exactly are we going to start this trip, Johnny?
Where all new cars start their journey, a car factory.
Ooh.
Back in 1987, Kia only made 95,000 cars. But now, thanks to a quite astonishing level of scale and automation, that figure is 3 million plus. This is the enormous Hwaseong factory, which covers 3.3 million square metres. And today we've been allowed an exclusive whistle-stop tour down on one of the assembly lines here to get an insight into how that scale and speed of production is achieved.
So, this production line 3, 176,000 cars on this production line a year.
Alone.
Johnny, in there is 2.3 kilometres of conveyor belts.
That sounds amazing, Jimmy. Show me it.
We're starting here at the press shop, where the steel is cut and stamped. Every 5 seconds, out pops another panel for the car.
110,000 tonnes of steel is used a year.
It's absolutely amazing. These stamps are giving it 2,400 tonnes of pressure. So it's drawing it, it's trimming it, it's piercing it, and then it's flanging it, and then it kicks it out.
And the only thing the human does is at the end just eye checks it, feels
Make sure
it.
it's perfect, yeah. Well, he's thorough.
13,000 people work at the factory alongside 280 robots that perform a choreographed building and welding routine.
You would stand and watch this literally all day.
It is a robotic ballet.
Hello, mate.
I'm a little bit scared of robots.
It's amazing.
I like the fact that even the robots are made in Korea.
Really?
Yeah, the Hyundai robots.
This part of the build process is fully mechanised as the robots build the car's entire body shell.
They'll have a left-hand one, a right-hand one, and then that roof section, and the floor pan. We're going to see those all be robotically welded together. 74 cars an hour.
An hour. You've got to keep everything moving all the time. And before we knew it, something recognisable started to emerge.
Okay.
There's a car, there's
oh my
a
gosh, yeah,
look.
look. Incredible. How quick, how precise.
Look
Get
at
out of
that
town.
go to work.
This is Willy Wonka
Yes,
if he was
yeah.
to build a Kia.
This is completely automated at a level I've never seen.
Yeah, me too.
On to assembly and more mind-boggling stats.
How many engines are they making here a year?
1.2 million, 600,000 gearboxes, 3 variants. Was it like something like 5 different types of engine?
Yeah.
Here, a year.
Yeah.
It's just
And this is one factory.
in this plant alone.
Yeah.
They're fitting an engine to this car every 72 seconds.
And that's with struts, brakes, steering rack. It takes me longer to pop the bonnet and fumble around for the bonnet catch.
At the end of the line, quality control. The cars are checked from every angle.
Oh look, there you
Excuse
go.
me, Johnny, I'm just going to have just a quiet moment.
So you get to look at an undercarriage
It's clean.
of a box fresh Kia Optima. Done.
It's clear the Korean attention to detail is very much to the fore, with the final human eye giving the cars a visual inspection. It's all good? Yeah, he's happy with it, look. Even having witnessed just a snapshot of this high-tech process, it's clear why the Korean industry has grown so rapidly. This feels like quite a progressive location. I mean,
Massively.
280 robots, everything moving on conveyor belts.
There's just the quantity of everything and the relentlessness.
Just utterly mind-blowing.
Yeah.
Finally, we were invited to drive a finished car out of the building. A real honour.
Don't hit anything, Johnny.
No, because it's brand new.
Each vehicle then has to complete a 2-kilometre test drive as yet another check of quality.
This is random.
Are we even on the right side of the road?
No, we're actually not.
No.